Hey there, ever wanted to build something epic with just stuff lying around the house? Today, I'm showing you how I built a tiny working tractor, yep, one that actually drives and lifts things, using cardboard, bottle caps, plastic syringes, and a few more bits and bobs. First, let's talk wheels. I grabbed some bottle caps and popped them onto sticks to make sturdy wheels. For the body, I cut out thick cardboard and glued it all together, making sure to leave space for the engine and loader. Now here's the cool part, the loader. I made it using popsicle sticks, and for the hydraulics, I used plastic syringes and some tubing filled with colored water. Push on one syringe and the loader goes up. Pull and it comes back down. It's like real hydraulics, but safe and simple. The tractor even drives. I hooked up a small electric motor and a battery, then watched my mini machine roll across the table. There's something so satisfying about watching it go forward, backward, and then scoop up little objects with its loader. Want to see it in action? I pushed tiny blocks, lifted marbles. Honestly, I felt like a giant on a mini farm. And the best part? I built it all from scratch, no fancy parts needed. So, what are you waiting for? Get creative, grab your supplies, and build your own DIY tractor today. And remember, always have an adult help, especially with sharp tools and tiny pieces. If you try this out, tell me in the comments what you built, or even better, share your photos. Until next time, keep making, keep playing, and keep having fun.